Hey guys, if anyone ever wants to know or asks you what your build version is or build number is from Windows 10, here's how you find it. It's really simple. Click on your start button, type in the word WinVer, W-I-N-V-E-R. Just run that, either hit enter or click on that. And here you'll see the version of Windows 10 that I've got is 22H2 and like the actual build number. That's pretty much it. Sometimes you'll need to know that for different software installations and things like that. But not a real common one, but very, very easy to find. Anyway, hope this helps and have a good day. Thanks.